farming then? Is it a family thing or?
No, just kind of decided to. Yeah, I just always had a good interest in it, so.
That's good.
Yeah.
You kind of have to love it, don't you?
Yeah. It's just quite fun.
Now, I'm hoping you've been protesting against these changes to farm inheritance.
I did the harbour one.
What's this sign say?
40.
What does that say? Not 40. No, the reason you didn't see it is because you're looking straight ahead.
Yeah.
It's like looking. Remember, we've got to know. I want you to get to a stage where you know what's Rona's car 360.
Yeah.
And when we do these speed changes, try and get the speed and gear done by about 10 metres before. Give yourself a buffer, so if you're overcooking on test day. So here, slow it right down. Start to slow it down. Brake first. Now third gear, and then we just come in at 30 in the right gear, and then got a little bit of a.
Yeah.
If you miss it late, you still got an opportunity to sort it out. Follow the road down, please. Hi, Richard here. Sorry to interrupt the video, but we have to tell you we have teamed up with this brilliant insurance company called My First Specialist in Young Driver Insurance. Give them a call. You see the number there. The website address is down there. This will give you an exclusive £50 discount. You talk to real people. They're just a great company to deal with. And we'll go left. We'll go left. We'll turn around. First exit left. So keep on that brake. Otherwise, it's going to run away with you there. That's it. All the way around. Happy, happy, happy. Good. My back. Thank you. All those dents in the road is people's stumps scraping along there. You're doing well. You can take that. Go on, miles away. A bit late now.
Yeah.
You had the opportunity. Now, if you're coming slowly, slower, we've been down there now.
Yeah.
Because you came a little bit fast. Oh, you stalled the car. Put the clutch down, it'll restart. Sorry, it restarts. Don't panic.
This is a bit of a weird car.
No. Well, it just restarts.
Yeah.
You put the clutch down within 2 seconds. Thing is, no, you're moving off there. Why did you need to stop the car?
I don't know.
You're moving off. Keep it moving. Get the car started. Cut down the problem.
Yeah.
Everyone does that. So it's a slap on the anchors. You're moving off in your stall. It's slam on the anchors. The car behind is expecting you to move. Well, at least you can move. Just keep moving it.
Yeah.
Slow until happy.
Yeah.
Go. So I think it's always slowing it. Then as soon as you've got that decision to go, we act on it. Now, what can make you have to change speed or direction? What could develop? What three things?
Slam a car door open.
Could do, or
person walk out behind the car.
Or
car
can move out.
Yeah.
So we're going to drive at speed. If any of these things happen, we're ready for it.
Yeah.
Keep going. Why are you going to come in for them? We got the dominant position.
Yeah.
There we go. Make progress where we can. Again, think if someone walked up behind that vehicle now, would it? I reckon it's a bit too. Now, your brain has to think that way. Your brain will think physically, I can drive down there.
Yeah.
And I said I was that driver on the road like this, I'll be doing 45 because I'm 3 times better than someone that's doing it 50.
Yeah.
That was my mentality. This is why I get so with young driver, because I know I was dead lucky to be alive. I was a terrible, terrible driver. Watch the car on the left there. Turn the left, please. So if I can save just one of you lot, not killing someone or yourself or maiming yourself or having a life in a breathing tube, then I think I've done my main thing. Make sure I check left before you do that final committal. Know how that car that you pulled off in the southern estate?
Yeah.
That's exactly what happens there.
Yeah.
Get mono focused on it. So unfortunately for you, Josh, you've got the driving instructor equivalent of the ex-smoker.
What does that mean?
Well, the one that always goes on about smoking's bad. I am that. So I know I am lucky. I didn't get involved in very serious accidents when I was younger.
Yeah.
Because I literally just learned to drive the car and I got through. I remember to do something for 38 minutes. Never bought into why I was doing it. As soon as it gave me my own car, I was like a right idiot.
Yeah.
Nearly crashed in the first 3 miles. Yeah, absolutely. It's like, way.
Yeah.
Showing off.
Yeah.
So driving is all about that what if speed. Now when you get in bigger roads, there's less what ifs.
Yeah.
Fill your boots. Now again, careful, we're going to slow here all the while. car comes there, you've got to be at a speed so you can comfortably come in and go around them.
Yeah.
And whilst there's no cars there, so again, just easy back because until you got a line of sight. Once you got your line of sight, go for it. Get there. Get to there nice and quickly. Look ahead of that bus. What's that going to tell you about the road?
Yeah.
Slow it right up because there could be a car there.
Yeah.
But it's 30 miles an hour.
Yeah.
See what I mean? I've read the road, I've anticipated, and sure enough, what I anticipated developed, and I was at right, correct speed, slow up. So we say, oh, brake.
Yeah.
What does that tell you? You're not reading the road a bit. Now,
Yeah.
I said, I don't mind you going fast in the right location,
Yeah.
but recognise where danger is going to develop.
Yeah.
Just bear around to the right, please. Now, again, even there, a car could have been parked right on there.
Yeah.
Come round there. It's too far. It's that what is speed. This is what you got to. This is really what you got to learn.
Yeah.
I got absolutely every confidence you can control a car. I've got every confidence you'll take it down the dual carriageway today at 70 miles an hour, turning right, please. What's my reference for turning right? Pointy mirror. Halfway across the road, get it turned in there. So that means you're looking across into the junction.
Yeah.
When it meets halfway across the road, get that turn in.
Yeah.
Turning right, please. That's it. What they're doing. So slow into a hazard, accelerate out. Are we happy with that?
Yeah.
There we go. Right. Going to do some town centre stuff. I just see a little bit of everything today.
Yeah.
That's it. We're going to have to. They're going to go forward. They can't come through, can they?
No.
They're not a bicycle, so they're going to have to move back. Just persuade. Slow, nice and gently. Creep, peep. No, go straight across. Just peep and creep. Peep, creep, 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 creep. Happy. That's all you can do there. Good. Well done. Or you can take a gamble and just go for it.
Yeah.
No, you're not. Okay, got a bus to get around here. Okay, that way. Now, let's have a look. We've got to be really careful here. Now, he's stopped, isn't it?
Yeah.
You got to go around it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you wait for the bus to move off, and he's got both hazards on. He ain't going anywhere.
Yeah.
Now, when we came round there, what speed? If you're going around that vehicle, what speed would you like a vehicle coming towards us to make it safe for you to go around that bus?
Quite slow.
Yeah. So this is what. Well done. That's what we've got to anticipate and match that speed.
Yeah.
After you're listening, be straight into room and go, oh yeah.